Hello, you're watching my channel, which shares useful information about 3D printing technology. Today, I will introduce to you the top 5 best priced 3D printers in 2024, along with the benefits they bring for the future, current technologies available on 3D printers and configurations, and connection of printer products. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to the channel to support me. Let's start. A 3D printer is a device capable of creating unique and diverse three-dimensional products by placing layers of materials on top of each other according to a 3D model designed on a computer. 3D printing technology has many applications in many fields such as industry, healthcare, education, art, etc. With 3D printing technology, you can create products according to your ideas, or download available 3D models from websites like Thingiverse, Miminifactory, Cults, etc. Currently, there are many different types of 3D printers on the market, with different technologies, materials, sizes, prices, and qualities. To help you choose a 3D printer that suits your needs and budget, I will evaluate and rank the top 5 best priced 3D printers in 2024, based on criteria such as utility, technology, configuration, and connection. I will also show you some products that I have printed with these 3D printers, so you can see their quality and accuracy. Let's get started. And all product links I will put in the video description if you need to buy through the link to get the best price.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Top 5. Creality Car M for 3D printer. Creality Car M4 3D printer is a new product from Creality, one of the famous 3D printer manufacturers in the world. The Creality Car M4 3D printer has a compact design, easy to assemble and use, suitable for beginners or people with limited working space. The Creality Car M4 3D printer uses FDM technology, which is the most popular 3D printing technology today, using molten plastic and printing layer by layer to build the product. The Creality Car M4 3D printer has a printing size of 22 x 22 x 25 centimeters, enough to print many small to medium products. The Creality Car M4 3D printer has high precision, printing layer thickness from 0.1 to 0.4 mm, and printing speed from 60 to 90 mm per second. Creality Car M4 3D printer can print a variety of materials such as PLA, ABS, PET, TPU, etc. The Creality Car M4 3D printer can be connected by SD card or USB line, and has an LCD screen to display printing status. The Creality Car M4 3D printer is priced at $959 on Amazon, making it a good choice for people on a budget. Top 4. NTD Max 3 3D printer. NTD Max 3 3D printer is a high-end product of NTD, a reputable and quality 3D printer manufacturer. The NTD Max 3 3D printer has a beautiful, sturdy design, with an aluminum frame and tempered glass. The NTD Max 3 3D printer uses FDM technology, but can print 2 colors at the same time, thanks to 2 independent print heads. The NTD Max 3 3D printer has a printing size of 30 x 30 x 40 centimeters, much larger than conventional 3D printers, allowing the printing of many large and complex products. The NTD Max 3 3D printer has high precision, printing layer thickness from 0.05 to 0.4 mm, and printing speed from 10 to 150 mm per second. NTD Max 3 3D printer can print a variety of materials such as PLA, ABS, PET, TPU, nylon, carbon fiber, etc. The NTD Max 3 3D printer can connect using Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB, or SD card, and has a 4.3-inch touchscreen for control. The NTD Max 3 3D printer is priced at $899 on Amazon, and is a great choice for people with professional and diverse 3D printing needs. Top 3. Creality K1 Max 3D Printer. The Creality K1 Max 3D printer is the latest product from Creality, launched in October 2024. The Creality K1 Max 3D printer is an FDM 3D printer, but can print high-resolution products. High and detailed thanks to the use of PolyJet technology. PolyJet technology is a 3D printing technology that uses liquid inkjet to create products. It is capable of printing high-resolution objects and using a variety of materials during the printing process. The Creality K1 Max 3D printer has a printing size of 25 x 25 x 25 centimeters, enough to print many small to medium products. The Creality K1 Max 3D printer has high precision, printing layer thickness from 0.01 to 0.2 mm, and printing speed from 10 to 100 mm per second. Creality K1 Max 3D printer can print a variety of materials such as PLA, ABS, PET, TPU, nylon, carbon fiber, etc. The Creality K1 Max 3D printer can connect using Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB, or SD card, and has a 4.3-inch touchscreen for control. The Creality K1 Max 3D printer is priced at $929 on Amazon, and is a great choice for people with high quality and diverse 3D printing needs. Top 2. Anycubic Photon M3 Max 3D Printer. Anycubic Photon M3 Max 3D printer is a product of Anycubic, a famous 3D printer manufacturer with resin 3D printers. The Anycubic Photon M3 Max 3D printer uses MISLA technology, resin 3D printing technology that uses UV light to cure liquid resin layers into products. MISLA technology allows 3D printing of products with high resolution, detail, and smoothness. The Anycubic Photon M3 Max 3D printer has a printing size of 19.2 x 12 x 25 cm, much larger than conventional resin 3D printers, allowing the printing of many large and complex products. The Anycubic Photon M3 Max 3D printer has high precision, printing layer thickness from 0.01 to 0.2 mm, and printing speed from 1 to 4 seconds per layer. The Anycubic Photon M3 Max 3D printer can print many different types of resin, such as colored resin, transparent resin, flexible resin, thermal resin, plastic resin, etc. The Anycubic Photon M3 Max 3D printer can connect using Wi-Fi, USB, or SD card, and has a 5-inch touchscreen for control. The Anycubic Photon M3 Max 3D printer is priced at $929.99 on Amazon, and is a great choice for those who need high-quality resin 3D printing. Top 1. Snapmaker J1S 3D Printer. The Snapmaker J1S 3D printer is a pinnacle product from Snapmaker, a manufacturer of 3-in-1 3D printers with CNC and laser capabilities. The Snapmaker J1S 3D printer is an upgraded version of Snapmaker 2.0, with many improvements in design, technology, and features. The Snapmaker J1S 3D printer has a beautiful, sturdy design, with an aluminum frame and tempered glass. The Snapmaker J1S 3D printer uses FDM technology, but can print 2 colors at the same time, thanks to 2 independent printheads. The Snapmaker J1S 3D printer can also convert the 3D printhead for a CNC tool or a laser diode, meaning the sky is the limit when it comes to creative potential. The Snapmaker J1S 3D printer has a printing size of 35 x 35 x 40 centimeters, the largest among current 3-in-1 3D printers, allowing the printing of many large and complex products. The Snapmaker J1S 3D printer has high precision, printing layer thickness from 0.05 to 0.4 mm and printing speed from 10 to 150 mm per second. Snapmaker J1S 3D printer can print a variety of materials such as PLA, ABS, PET, TPU, nylon, carbon fiber, etc. The Snapmaker J1S 3D printer can connect using Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB, or SD card, and has a 7-inch touchscreen for control. The Snapmaker J1S 3D printer is priced at $1,499 on Amazon, and is a perfect choice for people with professional and diverse 3D printing needs. Those are the top 5 best priced 3D printers in 2024 that I want to introduce to you. Hopefully, this article will help you gain more information and choose a 3D printer that suits your needs and budget. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching my video. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.